Norman was very excited about his family and friends coming. He got everything ready. He cleaned his room, brushed his teeth for an extra long time, and put balloons in the front yard so people would know that this was the right house for his birthday party. Soon everyone arrived. Some brought presents and some did not, which was fine. Norman was so happy to see the people that he loved and that loved him too. Even Grandma came to the party from Phoenix, Arizona. The first thing they did was play in the moon bounce. Norman jumped and even did a flip. Next they swam in the pool. Then they thought about going inside to play video games, but instead someone said, "Let's play tag!" Yeah! So they played tag in the yard. Tag was one of Norman's favorite games anyway. Susan was it first. Someone else was it soon because Susan was the fastest runner in the whole class. In a little while it was time to sing happy birthday. Everyone went inside and gathered around Norman and the cake. They sang happy birthday and told Norman to make a wish. Norman closed his eyes and wished really hard. He opened his eyes, made a big smile, and leaned over the cake. He took a deep breath in and prepared to blow out the candles. He was so happy to see everyone and was having so much fun playing that he forgot all about the Big Belch. What do you think happened next? All of a sudden, the Big Belch appeared. The Big Belch blew out all of the candles, but it also blew cake over all of his guests. No one wanted a piece of his birthday cake after that. It even blew Grandma's wig clean off and across the room. Norman was so embarrassed. The next day, when he went to school, Norman's teacher, Mrs. McConnell, announced that the school's annual spring play was next Saturday morning. She then announced that due to a glowing recommendation, Norman would be the person to stand at the podium and introduce the whole assembly. Norman immediately became nervous. He already had a tiny voice, and what if the Big Belch appeared while he was on stage? Uh-oh.